Hey there tech fans, Rick here again from the OREI team with an overview of the WHD-PRO1T-K wireless HDMI extension kit. This product was engineered to make it incredibly simple for you to share all of your HDMI media content with a second remote location up to 100 feet away over a wireless connection. This product is perfect for a conference room where you've got to share multiple laptops on a single screen, or if you'd like to share some content from your den with an upstairs bedroom. And the best part is the receiver can work with up to 32 different transmitters, as well as most phones and tablets can cast directly to the receiver. The receiver also features an HDMI connection as well as a VGA and audio out, so it works with newer monitors and older monitors alike. The transmitter product is incredibly simple to use. It's got an HDMI connection and a power connection, as well as a share button on the front, so you can easily switch between presenters. The product fully supports 1080p high-definition media content. It is both HDMI 1.3 as well as HDCP 1.3 compliant, so you know it's going to work fine with all of your media types. Now, as part of this overview, I'd like to start with a quick unboxing just to show you everything that's included with the kit, and then I'll take a closer look at the transmitter module and the receiver module and explain the connections. I'll list the features and functions this product provides, and then I'll come back and do a short demonstration to show you just how easy this product is going to be to use with your own equipment. So let's get started with the unboxing. When you first pop open the box, you'll find a single transmitter and a single receiver. You'll find a 5-volt 2-amp power supply. It has a USB-A connection on the end. You can simply plug this into a wall outlet and use the included cable to power the receiver. The transmitter has a single USB-A to USB-C cable, and typically you're plugging this into a media device or a computer, and you can plug this power cord into any open USB-A port on that media device or computer, and the USB plugs into the unit. You'll also find an adapter for a full-size HDMI to a USB-C, because a lot of laptops output their video information and audio through a USB-C connection, so the adapter is included as well. Also included is a full instruction manual that lists connection diagrams, specifications, and a lot of other really good information about the solution that you'll need to understand in order to use it correctly. Now, if you stay tuned next, I'll take a closer look at both modules, I'll list the features and functions, and then I'll come back and do the demonstration. Inside the kit, you'll find a transmitter module and a receiver module. Both of these feature high-impact plastic cases, which make them lightweight and incredibly durable. Let's start with the transmitter module. On the one end, you'll find a full-sized HDMI connection. You can plug this into an HDMI port on any media device or laptop. If your laptop requires a USB-C connection, the kit also includes an HDMI to USB-C adapter that you can snap on the end of the HDMI connection, then plug this into a USB-C port. On the top of the unit, there's an indicator right there to let you know it's paired, and you can use this button to stop sharing or start sharing again. On the one end, you'll find another USB-C port right there, and that's used for power. You can use the included cable. You'll plug the USB-C end in there. The USB-A end can plug into any available USB-A port on your media device, or even a standard USB charger. The receiver module features dual antennas to ensure a solid connection between the receiver and your various transmitters. It also employs the very latest in 2.4 and 5.8 GHz transmission technology to guarantee a rock solid between the receiver and all of your transmitting devices. On the top of the unit, you'll find a panel here in the center. There's an LED on the back of that panel that will flash when it's pairing up with a transmitter, and once that pairing is complete, that light will stay on solid. On the right-hand side of the cabinet is a power button you can use to turn the module on and off. Around the rear is where you'll make all your connections. Starting on the right, you'll find a VGA output connection, and that's used with older monitors. You can connect the monitor up directly there. If you use this port, you can also use the audio output port right here. That's a 3.5mm analog port. This will be video, that'll be audio. You can also use the HDMI output port in the center. That's a standard HDMI port. Use a high-speed HDMI cable between here and your newer monitor. To the left of that is a power connection. It's a USB-C port, and you'll use the included power supply. You'll plug that into the wall. The USB-C connection on that cable plugs in directly there. Finally, on the bottom of the unit, you'll find a reset button right there. You can use a small pen or a paper clip to reset it. If you tap it for 3 seconds, it'll shift the picture to vertical. If you hold it in for more than 3 seconds, it'll actually reset the module and reinstigate pairing with any of the transmission modules. The OREI WHD-PRO1T-K is compatible with most modern HDMI media devices, including digital projectors, game consoles, laptops and computers, streaming devices, as well as mobile phones and tablets. The product's features include full support of high-definition media content. It offers both HDMI and VGA output options. It's both HDMI 1.3 as well as HDCP 1.3 compliant. It provides 100 feet of extension for your content and accommodates multiple transmitters with a single receiver. Now I'll show you the connections you'll need to make to use this product with your own equipment. And for this demonstration, over here I've set up two small media players. One of them is looping a video, the other one is displaying an image of a game console just to make it easy to tell them apart. And this is the media content that I'd like to share wirelessly with my output display. Over here I've set up a monitor as my output device, and this is where I'd like to enjoy the content from my media devices. In front of me I have two transmitter modules and a receiver module. Now the first set of connections I'll make are to the receiver, and I'll start by connecting the monitor through a high-speed HDMI cable to the HDMI output port on the back of the receiver. And now we're all set for power. I've already plugged in the power supply. The other end of that cable is USB-C, which plugs directly into the receiver module. And the minute you add power to the receiver, it starts that internal power on self-test where it's checking the electronics to make sure everything's working okay. It's also checking the resolution of your monitor to make whatever adjustments are needed to give you the best possible picture. And now we're ready to connect up the transmitters. I'll start with a single transmitter. Again, I've plugged in the power supply, USB-C connection to the front of the transmitter. And then we simply plug this into the HDMI port on the back. Now, if you have a computer, you can use the USB-C to HDMI adapter if you need to. But HDMI is directly coming out of this unit. It takes a second for the handshake to take place over that wireless connection, and there you go. What you're viewing is media content from this player across a wireless connection to a monitor up to 100 feet away. Now you could easily move this between devices if you wanted to, and that way you can share multiple devices on the same receiver, or you can simply add another transmitter. You can add up to 32 of these on a single receiver. So let me add some power to the second transmitter. And I'll plug that into my second media device right here. And it'll take a second for it to sync up. And once it does, I can switch between these two devices by tapping the button on the one that's displaying and then tapping the button on the second one to actually bring that one up. So let me stop transmitting with this one, and I'll tap the button on the second one. And that way I should share the content from here to the main display. It's going to take a second for it to connect. I may have actually hit it twice. Let me hit it again. So what's nice about this is you can mute the content at each device individually. You can't share more than one device to the monitor at any given time, but you can easily switch between them. All right, there's the second display, so that's that media player. Let me turn that off, and then I'll turn on the first one again by tapping that button. So I'm basically moving between them by tapping the buttons. And there you go, there's the first one. Now you can add 32 of these transmitters to a single receiver. You can also screencast from your phone or your tablet. So the receiver is multifunctional, and it's got both an HDMI and a VGA connection on the back. So I've got a newer monitor here that's HDMI, but if you have an older monitor, you can use the VGA connection. And it really is just that easy to get it working. I hope you found this overview of the OREI WHD-PRO1T-K wireless HDMI extension kit helpful. It really does provide an incredibly easy way for you to share all of your HDMI media content from multiple devices with a single remote monitor located up to 100 feet away over a wireless connection. And because this solution employs the very latest in both 2.4 and 5.8 gigahertz transmission technology, you know you're going to have a crystal clear picture on that widescreen monitor. This kit is perfect for conference rooms where you need to share a single monitor among presenters, or even at home where you'd like to send HDMI media content from your den to an upstairs bedroom. And it couldn't be easier to use. The receiver provides both an HDMI and a VGA output, which means you can connect it to newer and older monitors, and the transmitter has a single HDMI connection and an adapter included that turns the HDMI into a USB-C if you have a newer laptop. The receiver can work with up to 32 different transmitters, and you can easily switch between them by tapping the button. You can even screencast to the product from your phone or your tablet. The product fully supports high-definition 1080p content and is both HDMI 1.3 as well as HDCP 1.3 compliant, which means it's going to work with all of your modern media gear. Everything you need to get started is included with the kit, and with a few simple connections, you can be up and running in no time. So until next time, thanks again for watching.